side of the truck.
Still in there?
Yeah, he's in there. Actually, right there. Pop your ass. Bam! Got him.
Where's
I
he
see
at?
the blood.
Who's going in after him?
Oh, there he is, yeah. Well,
Oh, he's still alive.
Why you shoot him in the
He's
thick?
still alive. We're going to shoot again.
Why don't you use the Glock? That thing's for like point blank.
Hey, so what?
Grab him. You won't bite too hard. He's dead now. I hope so.
Is that 357?
Yeah. Who got the first kill?
Michelin Man.
Did you bring your machete? You can hack your way in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Fucking armadillo. Oh man, he's really in there. Yeah, you need freaking machete for that one.
Where is he?
Right in the thickest part. There he goes, right there.
Wait, there he goes.
Like a live go there? Oh.
Why yell there he goes?